Hey developers, welcome to Programmatically, where I make weekly videos on various tutorials and step-by-step guides on how various tools and software work which are out there in the market. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how we can create a snapshot of our virtual machines in VMware. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that I want to talk about is what exactly is a snapshot. Essentially, a snapshot is exactly like a backup. For example, we take backups of databases and it gives us the ability to restore it whenever we want. Exactly like that, snapshot also is like a backup of our virtual machine and it gives us the ability to restore it whenever we want. The next thing I want to discuss about is that why and when do we take snapshots on VMware? We create snapshots to preserve the state and data of our virtual machines for specific points in time. Snapshot also provides a short-term failback during patching and software upgrades. For example, let's say you want to download and install a software or tool from the net which seems fishy, or you want to upgrade your operating system or drivers to a newer version which seems a little buggy. So you want to be in the safe side and take a snapshot of your virtual machine and then go on with upgrading it or installing your software. After the install or upgrade, if you find something that is not working as you would want it to, or you want to revert back to the previous state, you can always restore the snapshot you took and get back to the original point before you actually install or upgrade it to the newer version. So let's see how we can take a snapshot of our virtual machine. As you can see, I am running Ubuntu Linux distribution on my VMware. And before taking a snapshot, I want to take into notice that in the terminal, I want to show you that I have installed Docker on this virtual machine. As you can see, Docker is installed on this Linux distribution. Now, to take a snapshot, we're going to go on the top bar, VM option, and we're going to click on Snapshot and go on to Snapshot Manager. In here, you are simply going to click on Take a Snapshot. And over here, you're just going to name your snapshot. And I'm just going to name it Snapshot After Docker Install. And I'm just going to click on Take Snapshot. And that is it. As you can see, a snapshot has been created. And that's all there is to it. Now, to revert back to a previous version of a snapshot, let's see how we can restore it. So before installing Docker on this version of my distribution, I had already taken a snapshot, which is right here. If you click on it, you can see the name I've given it before Docker install. So if you want to ever restore it to a previous point, you can always go to, again, the same tab, VM option. You're going to go on to snapshot, and over here is going to give you a list of all the snapshots that you've taken. And here is the after Docker install, and here is the one before Docker install. So I want to revert back or restore this snapshot. So I'm just going to click on this. It's going to ask me, do you want to restore this snapshot? I'm just going to click on yes. So now it's going to take a while to restore it all the way, and just give it a few seconds. Well, it seems like I've restored it. Let's open it up. Yeah, it seems like it's done. It's restored it perfectly. Let's open up the terminal. And let's see if Docker is installed. There we go. Command Docker is not found, which means Docker is not installed over here. So we have successfully restored our snapshot to the previous point. So that's going to be it for today's video, guys. If you found the content helpful, then you should also go and check out my blogging website, programmatically.com. The link is in the description box below. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for the upcoming video. Take care.